Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Whisk AI tool to generate a thumbnail image. First of all, let me open ChatGPT and here I want to get a prompt for a thumbnail. Now let me upload one of the image, this one. Let me type create exact prompt for this image and then press enter. Also you can type it should be 16:9 and now within few seconds we will get the prompt. Let me type it again. I need prompt in text format. Now prompt is ready, we can copy, and after that here you can go and type Whisk AI. Here you can use this website labs.google, and after that now I have created a free account. Then let me add this prompt here. Now you can change anything. For example, let me type build website, and then after that you can easily submit. So guys, here you can see within few seconds a professional thumbnail is ready, and we can get this thumbnail in our laptop. We can also share this thumbnail with anyone. Okay, we have two different designs. Both of designs are great and professional. Also you can again type here any suggestions and instructions, then it will automatically regenerate your thumbnails.